Carmine's Country Corner look.
And if you tell me she isn't here, well, I'll follow the tracks of her tears. That's how I got to Memphis. That's how I got to Memphis.
Don't put no headstone on my grave.
Hello, Sardo.
I just wanted to call and tell you how much I appreciate the show. It's going really good. I think George...
Jere McWhorter got me good
is doing
again.
great.
The Wild Country Band is kind of a mishmash of a lot of the players in LA that I know, friends of mine, guys like you, and other names I won't drop, just so I won't be dropping names. But you people have seen these players come up, and you know they're good. They're good friends of mine, and we love them. And
My friend Vince Gill.
having a good time.
My friend Vince Gill told me never be a name dropper.
Places buzzing, kinfolk come from miles around by the dozen. All the dress in style, go out wild, me on my own. Well, son, girl, we'll have big phone on the bow.
Just a poor man's daughter, born in Penasco, south of the border, oh, in Mexico.
see you next Sunday.
I'll be here.
Don't be late.
I'm lonesome